Good afternoon, guys. We are coming to you from Oglethorpe, Georgia. Welcome to Whitewater Creek Park. We're going to drive through this park. There's some sort of splash pad, pavilion. I see a little playground in the distance, and I can see water, which I'm guessing may be Whitewater Creek or what Whitewater Creek flows into. There's also an RV camp here, an RV campground. We're going to drive through there and give you a little tour of that. Let's go make some memories. So you see here, there's a scenic trailhead. There's actually 3 trails here. There's the lake trail that's right here. There's a river trail that goes down that way, and then the nature trail, which goes this way. And the nature trail, I know, circles through all these woods over here. So they got 3 nice trails that you can come walking on here. And they seem like, the nature trail seems like it's pretty well paved. I could see that from the main road when we were first coming in, how it circles through the woods. It circles through all these trees that are over here, which is really cool. And then also down this way, there's restrooms, as you can see on the sign that's up here that I'm walking to. And this is where the splash pad is at. Obviously here in the wintertime, the splash pad's closed. It's too cold. It just says no food or drink allowed. And you can see they've got it locked off, but there's restrooms in here as well. If I peek around the corner here, I can kind of show you what the splash pad looks like. I can get a little view of it. I just picture it being summertime, hot, and all the little kids running around in the splash pad enjoying themselves, having a good time. But yeah, so this is gonna kind of wrap up our visit here to the Whitewater Creek Park here in Oglethorpe, Georgia. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. A couple of nice nature trails, beautiful waterfront here. A couple of nice playgrounds, nice RV area to stay in. I'll link the website down below so you can check out the RV prices and how you make reservations to get a campground for the night or for the week. Thanks for watching as always. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this. Leave us a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, we'll see you soon.